What's good, y'all? I know it's a little different, but I'm waiting on little guy Anwar. But right now we got the 240, beautiful 240. We're about to put the air intake on today and get her started. First thing we need to do is get the air intake right. This thing's been all taped up. There's a fat old hole right here. So we're gonna replace that all today.
Good morning and happy New Year's, everybody, from the Garage Bros. Today we're gonna show you some content. We just bought the intake.
Hey.
All right, guys. So we decided to go with engine intake. We did have other options. We were planning on to stay on stock intake, and I don't know. You know, we're just so excited. We were gonna get a K&N intake, but we decided to go with engine intake. All right, so we're gonna show you guys a look real quick. Hey, brand new. This is the part right here. This is important. Oh, yeah. All right, so we're gonna get to putting this on. So stay tuned, guys. The turbo.
That's the turbo right there.
I think this is the turbo. That's the turbo, huh? Oh my god. Yeah. All right, so we got Master Darren, you know, taking off the intake of the throttle body. Master Darren or Mechanic Darren?
Mechanic Darren.
All right, bet. For sure. Darren had ordered exhaust like a couple days ago. I don't know when it will be here. He doesn't know the results.
It'll be here tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Stay tuned for that. We got a fat old exhaust coming, you know. Y'all better be ready for that.
All right.
It just... Oh, no, that's not even connected. Everything should be
All right, so we just got off the stock intake.
Look at this. We need to clean this real quick. This looks all gunky.
Nah, I think we have new ones, bro. Yeah, there's new ones, so we don't need that no more. The old stuff you can throw right there.
Yeah, out with the old and with the new.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Man, that's ugly. Yeah, see, we definitely need a new one. Sheesh. Hey, hell yeah. That's gonna look dope, man. That's gonna look really cool. Alright, guys, so this is what we have so far. Just going to connect the filter right now. We're looking at this is what's helping us doing it right now.
Sorry we didn't film through the whole thing. We had a couple technical difficulties, but we finally got her fully in. Everything's looking real nice. And we're about to start it up. We got Anwar driving the car. She feels way healthier.
All right, Darren. Hey, how does she feel?
Real good.
Yeah, so here's the final result. We finished putting the intake on. We didn't really get too much content for you guys. We kind of got stuck, you know, so but you know, it came out pretty good. The car sounds really healthy, and you know, we're just waiting on the exhaust. Car still needs a little tune-up, but you know, we're really happy with how the car is driving, and you know, that single cam is pretty healthy as well.
All black, YSL. Baby girl shine bright like a Ferris wheel.